Konnichiwa minasan! Hello guys! Welcome to our field trip to Akita onsen today. I will be your guide. My name is Diana and I'm geologist from Tohoku University. Our international team departed from Sendai and our target was to do some field experiment and take samples. Where is my samples?
これからサンプリングやります。
Tamagawa onsen is very unique and very acidic hot spring site in Japan, and it's our main target for this field trip. Our project is related to some rare earth elements distribution, that's why we need to take several samples from different locations. But you know, things not always go smoothly, right? So if you get dirty, just wash yourself in a river.
So I want to tell what we did during these 2 days. And now we are in Akita, Tamagawa Onsen, which is famous for its low pH. So it's very acidic, and if we use this specific property of water, we can do many interesting experiments which related to energy, for example, or resources. So what I should do, I should take some samples of water from different points. For this I use this like syringe, and also do filtering, and then bring these samples to the laboratory and do analysis and see like how about pH, how about elemental composition and so on. And also I'm taking drone videos from above. So here is my drone. Yep, it's maybe most fun part for me, exciting one, and this time it's very good weather, no wind, so I can take beautiful shots, I believe. Please enjoy them when I show.
Time to exercise, yay!
Climbing for the sample.
And yeah, on the second day we moved from Tamagawa onsen to Akita Komagatake. It's a mountain, and we climbed it with my colleagues and friends from Indonesia, Malaysia, and Mongolia and Japan.
Busy climbers. View is nice.
Another task was to take some drone shots, so please enjoy beauty of northern Japan. And we also didn't forget to work, don't worry. See you guys next time. Mata ne!
Hey! Just back from onsen. The day became like Akita beautiful lady. It's actually famous in Akita, the beautiful ladies here. It's called Bijin. So yeah, the target of this field work is became a Bijin. I'm joking. Yeah, I already told you like what I did for 2 days, and yeah, we took water samples, we did drone shots, and we're thinking of, actually we're already doing hydrogen experiment producing electricity here. Yeah, and my task was to take different samples from the river, from onsen, and some samples of sediments, and we expect very high concentration of rare earth elements. Yes, if you know what is it, but if you don't, we just need them to make, for example, our cell phones. Yeah, and what else? Beautiful sceneries, beautiful days, beautiful mountains, and successfully done fieldwork. So it was very productive, and yeah, I think I will go to sleep and see you guys. Busy.